Hey everyone, this is Robbie Jeffcoat with BadgePass, and today we're going to be looking at changing the GX1 ribbon in the GX1 card printer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our finger, we're going to press it on this silver button on top of the printer. You'll notice it's going to open the top of the printer, and then we'll also be able to take the cartridge. The cartridge is going to be located immediately in front of the opening. So we'll take it, we'll pull it up, and then we will be able to take the ribbon off the cartridge itself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our hand across both spool, and we're going to just pull up. This will be able to allow you to remove the ribbon from the cartridge itself. So the important thing to know here is that the ribbon does have a color coordination. So you'll notice there's a blue section and a silver section. This corresponds to the cartridge itself. So you'll always want to make sure that silver goes with silver and blue goes with blue. One thing to also note is you'll also want to make sure that the ribbon also goes over and over. You don't want it to be under, you want it to be over and over. So what we'll do here is we're going to take the silver section first. We're going to place it on the silver spindle until it clicks in. And then we'll take the blue section, we'll place it over the blue spindle until it clicks in. You'll also notice there's a little gear here. We can turn the gear to make sure that the ribbon gets straight and back adjusted. Once the ribbon's on here, we're going to take the cartridge, we're going to lower it back into the printer. You'll notice it'll fit snugly in. We'll take the top, we'll press it in, it will click, and there we have it. That's how you change the ribbon in your GX1 card printer.